May mensahe ang aktor na si Janus Del Prado kay Aura Briguela matapos ang naging issue nito sa paggamit ng gender pronoun na her sa isang artikulo. Binigyang diin ni Janus na nadadamay umano ang gay community dahil sa entitlement na ginagawa ni Aura. Payo pa ni Janus na mas mainam na makinig si Aura gaya na lamang kay Ricky Reyes. Wala rin daw pumipigil kay Aura kung nais nitong tawagin siyang her, ngunit hindi nito mapipilit ang mga tao na makisakay sa kanyang gusto dahil sa may kanya-kanya tayong paniniwala at prinsipyo sa buhay. Wala umanong mali sa paggamit ng tamang grammar pagdating sa kung paano tawagin ang isang tao. Kabuang Facebook post ni Janus, Aura, you are doing too much to the point that you are hurting the gay community. People are starting to turn against the entire gay community because of this kind of entitlement. Nadadamay sila sa bashing. Not to mention overshadowing the identity and attention from biological women, their struggles and their place in society. Stop acting like you are being oppressed because you are not. Nakigaya lang naman tayo sa pauso ng US and other Western countries about the gender alphabet and NEU pronouns. And now, ano nangyayari sa kanila? They are suffering the consequences and starting to reject the whole ideology. It even destroyed Hollywood, sports and their education system. Balik na sila sa two-gender policy. Makinig kayo sa mga nauna sa inyong gays like Ricky Reyes. They know better. And quite frankly, the LGBT community hasn't been about the lesbians and the gays in a very long time. You made it all about these new genders and pronouns that lack common sense. If you want to call yourself a she or her, then go. Live and enjoy your life the way you want to, no one's stopping you. Just don't expect and force everyone else to play along. Because just like you, we all have our own beliefs, values, principles and free will. There is nothing wrong with using proper grammar to address other people. Stop the gaslighting. Nakakapagod na makitungo at makisama sa inyo. Nagkakaroon na ng trans fatigue ang mga Pilipino. And to the gay community, please speak up pag wala na sa hulog yung ginagawa ng miyembro ng komunidad nyo. Don't be an enabler just because they are a part of your group. It will only hurt the gay community and what you stand for. Thank you. Umani ng samut-saring reaksyon mula sa mga netizens ang naging pahayag na ito ni Janus. Sad ng ilan sa nagkomento, to Aura, when somebody calls you she, it's a compliment. And there's a fine line between compliment and truth. Don't get confused. Kung gusto mo paniwalain ang sarili mo na babae ka, okay lang yun kasi ikaw yan. Pero huwag mo pilitin ang ibang tao na maniwala na babae ka nga dahil lang yun ang gusto mo na i-identify ang sarili mo.